How to log into Betterment if your phone is lost and can't authenticate. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Betterment, go to the login page. Here, add your email and password, and simply press on login at the bottom. It may directly log in. If it does not log in, what you can do is, as you can see, there is how do I log in if my phone is lost and can't authenticate. They can help you set up 2FA on your new device. Click on please call us in the FAQ. Then you will find their number, which is 7184006898. Call in this number and it will directly lead you to representative of Betterment. Then describe them your issue, and after that they will solve your issue. And this is how to log into Betterment if your phone is lost and can't authenticate. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.